My name is Federico Battera. I'm professor of African Politics and History of Africa, University of Trieste, Department of Political and Social Sciences. And I came here for a project on capacity building, working with the Rauda organization. It is not my first time actually in Mogadishu. I've been already last year, but the first time I was in Mogadishu was in 2001 in different conditions, very different conditions. And I came here last year after more than 20 years. So what I saw is a city that improved a lot in terms of infrastructures.
Okay, we were talking later. Before landing in Somalia, what was the mental image you had of the country, and how has the reality of the last days challenged or confirmed that image?
Yes, no, what I saw is a country that improved a lot. I confess you that my expectations were lower compared to what I've seen. So I'm very happy to see the improvements. However, many things must be done in this country. There is a lot of things that must be developed in terms of infrastructures and also job for the young people. There is a lot of Somali people is very, very young, and so the youth and the expectation of young people to get a job, to get a future is very, very important. So there is a lot of room to collaboration even between Italy. I'm Italian, so I'm talking about Italy or Europe with Somali people and the Somali government.
Okay. Italy and Somalia share a long, complex history. Did you notice any cultural egos or similarities in the way people interact, socialize?
Yeah. Okay. Somali people is very, very open, you know. And perhaps we share with you this cultural openness. So Somali people are friendly, and you feel at home. They are very friendly with Italians, notwithstanding the legacy of colonialism, which was not exactly a good thing, no? But you know, we have time has passed. Since the end of colonialism, and I think after colonialism, Italy contributed in developing the country and maintaining a good relation with people and the country. And there is a lot of expectation even by Somalis what Italy could do and contribute for the development of this country, and this is very, very good. It's when as an Italian you come here in Mogadishu, you are very welcomed. And there are as a stranger, as an Italian, we can see in Mogadishu, in Somalia, a lot of Italian heritages, and this is another thing that may make you comfortable when you come here.
Okay. Now we're talking the food. What was the one dish or species that completely took you by surprise, and will you want to find it in an Italian restaurant?
I would like to find an Italian restaurant, actually. I love Somali cuisine. Somali cuisine is a mix of different cultural influences: Arabic, Ethiopian, Indian, a lot of Indian influences. So it's a mix of different things, and also Italian ones. So it's a very nice cuisine, and I love the Somali cuisine. I think Yes, it is a sort of international cuisine. I would like to see an Italian restaurant, of course, but not because I'm.
As visitors with a fresh perspective, what are three things you absolutely loved about the Somali way of life?
As I told you, I love this openness
Yes,
to the world and to the curiosity of Somali people about about the world, about the new things that came from outside, not only from Italy. So this is very, 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 very nice and very stimulating, and it's something that make the visitors feel at home, notwithstanding the difficulties of this country, which is quite more poor if we compare to Kenya, for instance. But for me, I spent some time in Kenya in the past, and I think Somalia is quite more welcoming than Kenya from an Italian perspective.
That's good. And the last question: if you were to advise a colleague in Rome about visiting Somalia, what would be your must-see or must-do recommendation?
You know, Mogadishu, in the Mogadishu buildings, there are a lot of historic heritages from Italy, and unfortunately, not all the buildings that Italia left here in Somalia during colonization, some of them are still in ruins or in very, very bad condition. And what I would like to by the Italian government, it's supporting the reconstruction of those kind of buildings, because you see, even when they are in ruins, how beautiful they were. And Mogadishu also is a very beautiful city, because it's on the sea, on the ocean, and the design of the city is very, very beautiful. Oh, wow. And I think you will, if you want to attract in the future visitors, you will definitively, you will build, restore all the harbor, all the Lido, all the that place, which is you see the potentialities of this country.
Thank you, Federico Battera.